Hello and welcome to this follow-up live of Hiranya. What's available, what's on pre-order. We're going to give you all the details right here for you to be able to see that what is it that you can find as a part of Hiranya. Now, I'm just going to, okay. So, the whole idea is to be able to show you that there are many things which are available. Some of these are on pre-order, some cannot be made, they are sold out. But this particular live will give you a really good follow-up to all the things that you can get instantly right away. That's the whole idea. For anyone who has missed it, we have done our season launch with Hiranya in 2 lives on the same day, which was on the 3rd. And of course, that's a beautiful life to see for the combination, for all that you've been looking for, So, आज मैं आपको जो दिखाने वाली हूँ, I'm just going to very quickly show you just the dupattas because we've done everything, all the work in those 2 lives where we've shown you the combination, everything that you needed to know about them. But the idea is to very quickly keep showing you the pieces that are there, and of course 1 or 2 that you can only see now. Of course, these are the new additions, so you can see them as well. And so all of that, let's go quickly. There is a lot behind each piece, the craft, the making, but we're going to just concentrate on right now showcasing it to you. We're always available on WhatsApp for you to see. That's the first dupatta that you have. It's a statement black dupatta. You can see the beautiful motifs right there. I will, of course, come close, show all the details for you to see. Now, that's a lovely, lovely one in black and black and silk and yellow and white bandhni, and with Meena, it's got everything that you've been looking for. Of course, iske jo tassels hai, it's a single color. If you want the multi-color, it can be done. Now, a black suit like the one that I'm wearing is something that will always look good no matter what. Here are the pieces. Now, we also have, if you have not seen it earlier, we also have a Sachi Zari collection in Bandhni dupattas. I'm wearing 1 piece in it. Jo hai, wo aate jayenge, and we will try to show you as much as I can. So this is from the Sachi Zari collection in Bandhni. I'm showing you all the close-up, all the details for it to be very easy. And of course, आज हमने सोचा कि हम standing करेंगे because we are focusing on the dupattas and this one thread right there. So we are focusing on the dupattas. The combination you have perhaps seen, but of course you can get these separately as well. Look at the beautiful detail of the border, this fine bandhni, all in this piece. Now, much talk about this particular piece, this dupatta, and absolutely rightly so, it's ravishing to say the least. So, okay, now I'm going to talk a bit about this. This is the Rangkat dupatta. It's a part of our Rangkat suit. But I said it the day we launched it, because there have been so many of you who have been asking that whether we can take the dupatta, and especially our Rangkat dupatta. We did decide that we will kind of also break it up for you and give it to you. Now, for that reason, I'm now showing just the dupatta to you. You have 3 combinations to wear with it. A red, this beautiful kesari color, and the pink in the suits. But now the thing is that this is on pre-order from this moment. All our pieces which were ready are sold out. We do have them. We are making them, and now for many of such pieces which are on pre-order, जैसे जैसे बनते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे आपके पास आते जाएंगे. So this is our masterpiece. Of course, this was one of our main launches in Rangkat suit. This is just the dupatta. You can get the dupatta alone, the kurta and bottom alone, or as the set. Of course, it works out best as a set. That's how it's made. And you can now place your pre-order for it. Of course, the cotton suit that I was wearing, the yellow one, which is a Hiranya look 1, is also on pre-order. And this is a shorter line for weight, but that's a much longer one for you to find your piece. But the process for pre-orders is very simple, that you will pay a token amount for each of these pieces, and once they're ready, we will show it to you, your piece. बट एक लाइन है, तो उस लाइन में अगर आपको यू हैव टू गो इन टू दैट लाइन टू गेट योर पीसेज, देन यू विल हैव टू पे अ टोकन. Lot of times you get that you know when it's ready let us know. You know, honestly that's not possible because already there's a list, so we don't remember unless you have confirmed your order by paying an amount. If that's the case, we'll let you know the wait time. Right now for the Hiranya look 1 and the yellow, which is also available in white and red, the general waiting time is about 45 days to 30 days, you know. So that's the waiting time. I think we have probably one piece in red, the last one which is available. Rest both the colors are all on pre-order. Now there you go. This is one statement painting dupatta for you to see. Here I am wearing it, and if you're worried that silk hai hum kaise carry karenge, you have nothing to worry about. You know, they are easy, they are soft. That's something that's very very signature about any pure fabrics, pure looks. They will be soft. So चाहे ये पेंटिंग दुपट्टा था, and because we make it in the purest most beautiful fabrics, they are very very easy to kind of hold and have. Now look at that. This is one gorgeous peach color. Wear it, flaunt it, move it around. All of that is possible. Now I think I'm going to come a little closer, keep showing you all the details that there are behind each one of these pieces. But of course मुझे ये भी रहता है कि आपको थोड़ा सा you know I should show you the full look so that you can completely see. Now this is a bird dupatta. You can see the beauty, you can see the tassels. More and more pieces coming to you. Now something which in the last 10 days has you know brought in a lot of interest, lot of query is this particular dupatta and the entire look. If you've not seen it, please, you know, just head to the page. You will see a chinia silk suit with this gorgeous dupatta, and you can, of course, you know, black ऐसा color है कि सब अच्छा लगता है. But the point is that if you see for this particular look, if you see the complete look, I think it just makes so much more sense to kind of just go for the full look. You know, so that's always there. You know, कुछ चीजें, and I will always say that myself, that you know, just go. For the dupatta alone, you can pair it up with anything, but certain things, or like the next one, a dupatta like this, it's beautiful, it's a statement, but it's also this really light, fun dupatta to have. Look at the intensity of the bani, it's beautiful, isn't it? Now this is with chikankari, and it also has bani on this very ultra lightweight fabric. The tassels will be done if you want it to be. So, and many of you preferring not for it not to be done, so I leave it that up to you. But look at the dupatta. Now, for example, I was just talking about it. कि अगर ये दुपट्टा है, you know, you can wear a nice contrast. You can wear it with a bold, deep color. You can do a white kurta, and not necessarily would you need a complete matching look because it's just so fun and nice on its own. So कुछ pieces ऐसे भी होते हैं, and some are of course like this. And when you're wearing a dupatta like this, really, oh my God, it's just about this beautiful piece. It's a statement that you're making. I will come closer and show it to you, the entire, you know, the details behind this piece. But we have this particular design in two stunning colors, and this is a katan, so you can just see, you know, it just kind of folds and moves. There's nothing you'll have to worry about it. And now let's go for the close-up. You can see the entire very, very detailed work, this beautiful birds right here, and also available in red. These are for this season. Now, one dupatta that I wanted to show you standing, and I think it deserved that, are these lightweight stunning मूंगा दुपट्टास. मैं कुछ इसके 2-3 आपको पीसेस दिखाऊंगी, सारे तो मुश्किल होएगा, but I will show you some that are available right here. You can see that these are the 21,800. Now prices of many dupattas, they're all on request. You'll have to ask us on WhatsApp and we'll let you know. So one stunning Munga silk dupatta. Now this dress, I had launched it in Hyderabad when we were there for a show, and the details behind it is that it's a satin silk fabric. So it's a satin silk fabric. It's one of our most premium, less width fabrics, which means that, you know, the width is because it's made on a very special loom, जो इसका satin होता है. So it's a less width, so which means that you will need far more fabric. So this is a same on same attire which regularly for a 42-44 you need 6 meters, but for this you will need 8 meters for sure to be able to make this look. A pakka 8 meters and more probably, but 8 meters. And yes, it's a premium fabric. It's I think 8,000 or 8,800 per meter. You can check on the details. But what you can always do is also substitute it for plain katan, that is 4,200 per meter. It can be done, and you can enjoy wearing this stunning dupatta or any of our dupattas on it as well. So I leave it up to you कि आपको what is it that you would like to go for. Satin like this, and I think these are made in these small cuts. I think probably 10 meter cuts. So you can also place your order. So yes. Now yet another dupatta. This gorgeous piece, and an exceptional, one of a kind. This is Georgette, this is Karwa, this is Sona Rupa, and look at the detailing. And I want to say this very much, that jitna mushkil hai isko banana, you cannot possibly imagine how difficult it is to make a Karwa weave on Georgette in a Jail. Very time taking, and this is on pre-order. Yes, that is the main thing that I want to talk about, that this dupatta is on pre-order and you can check the delivery time. The second thing is that it's also dyeable. You saw me wear it with the triangle red meena, which is also on pre-order by the way. So, and usme time lagega. The fabric will take time. So we got to start work on it. We have not yet, in fact. But this is already in making, so it's quicker, the delivery. And मैंने आप red पहना था, the particular look with it. But we have 4 other colors. हर के साथ ये दुपट्टा डाई हो सकता है and it will look amazing. Of course, the look was also that contrast lining in pure silk, which was on the inside. Many questions ki will it not show red or will it not show green or blue, whatever you're wearing. Therefore, you need to do a double lining. First, you need to do cotton, and then you need to do that contrast silk lining. When you walk, it will show you that beautiful silk gleam from inside, matching your dupatta. Gorgeous, top class. So here you go. Dupattas of all kinds, and that's the beauty of it. It isn't that we have done only silks or only a particular range. You will see a broad, beautiful range, variety, every look. You're looking for sachizari, you're looking for rangkat statement pieces, dupattas. We have it all. And you also at the same time have the lighter ones like these, but they are oh so gorgeous. Now look at that. Look at this particular piece. It's really the epitome of sophistication and classy look in these neutrals. I love the fact that we've done so many neutrals in these with beautiful same on same, and in some even contrasting. Now here you go. This one paired with the triangle meena, and of course you have a statement Banarasi. It's there for you to flaunt. You have to wear it, you have to spread it, wear it on a lehenga, wear it on a suit, on a same on same, on a contrast, even something like this on a hot green plain katan silk 2-tone color, it will look amazing. So yes, now I'm not showing that to you today because I've already shown you so many colors in the 2 lives. See, ye to quick, you've already seen it, you're thinking what you want to buy. This is, I'm just giving you a very quick way of finding your perfect piece. And jo iska combinations are like, say, now this would look really good with 2-tone silk fabrics, all of those with a 4,800 range. And uske humne sare colors dikhaye hain, so you should check that live out in any case. And probably you've seen, then you can just tell me which one you would like to see. And otherwise, we're here to kind of help you make a combination and do that. So, that's also possible. We can do that for you. Now, one more color in this. This is the silk bandhni, and you can see that. You can see this beautiful flow. I'm just going to be here and showing this to you. Of course, मैं आपको पास में आके दिखा सकती हूँ. I want to also show a hot pink color in this. साथ ही मैं इसी का hot pink. So I'll show you those 2 pieces together. This is one because it's a pink feast, and I think that's why I was just thinking this morning, what is the color that we sell most? Black, of course, red, of course, pink, of course. And uske baad, it's like everything is at equal. But these 3 colors, I think we can never have enough of. And if you thought that, you wanted to see a choice, then there is your choice. This is the lighter, darker pink. This is the Rani pink. you have both options, and I'm going to try something which is wearing both of them. As if wearing one wasn't enough, but sometimes you got to do what you have to do. So there you go. There you can see that. Now I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to show you this, and it is stunning. So look at that. It's a hot color. You can wear it, you can move it around, it swings with you. It's a silk bandhni dupatta, but it moves as you move. That's the beauty of it. It's going to be this is a special live just on dupattas that you can find. And of course, we've got to do some blacks, because that's I do not think anybody can say I've had enough of a black color. Now, one piece, which is probably the perfect match for this satin sheen, is this particular dupatta. When you're wearing a fabric as grand as this, honestly, you also need something to match its beauty, and vice versa, because if you're wearing this, you need a beautiful base. I think a katan silk would also be perfect, but I have also loved the creation of the contrast with purple, because now what is exceptional about it is I want you, it's a test for you. I want you to count the number of meenas on this particular piece. And remember that when you're counting, the zari colors are also, number 1 and 2. So there is gold, there is silver, there is the light blue, there is the purple, there is yellow, so that's 5. And then there is a mustardish yellow, that's 6, orange 7, green 8, peach 9, lavender 10, red 11, and pink 12. So and maybe probably a few, yes, there's a mint green, which I've missed. That's number 30. So imagine maybe probably still a few more that I missed. Can you imagine 13 colors, working together to create this masterpiece? And it's not, they're random placements, which makes it even more difficult. So I know when you ask me that, why is it that, this is this, I need to tell you these things. Of course, time is always limited. You come meet me, I'll tell you everything that there is to tell. But, of course, usse bhi zyada, in fact, the lives are the best way to know about it. And I really did want to talk about it. One beautiful, and, because each of our events are a celebration of crafts, culture, tradition, It always is. This is, I think, last year was Sanji, then earlier this year it was Rangras, and now it is Hiranya. Each one of them focusing on the varied textiles. Of course, needless to say, Banarsi, that is our core of what we do. But we've also been working for a very long time with different communities of textiles, especially in Bandhni, for some time now. And with others, which is Lucknowi, which is Patni, you can see the exceptional result. Okay, now many of you wanting to see the white Patnis, they're all sold out. Yes, so in fact I had a red, it got sold before, then I had a pink, and I had multiple pieces, but they are all over now. So yes, that is how it is. Can I make them again? No, not for now, not in the short future of 2-3 months. We're not making them again. So yeah, there you go. Now this one is exceptional for its work, for its detailing that you can all see, and the color, and there you go. This one is again one of the Munga ones, light, nice, easy, and look at how it moves. It's a stunning range of colors that you can go. Munga silk suits, a classic Munga. So a 5,400 Munga, which if you can recall, if not, just ask for a screenshot, we'll give it to you. The Kali kurta that I wear, that is now available, and it basically goes really well with any one of these dupattas, or just a great base to be. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, that's all thanks to my team. Isn't it so pretty, Just that 1 minute to admire the beauty of it. Okay, and there you go. Let's show you this, as amazing as it is. Here it is. This is silk, and the very important thing is that it just has a peacock. So many of you saying, is it only birds or are there elephants? You want to know more? Surely, just ask us. We'll let you know What a lovely, lovely shade, and it's silk and it's bandi. It's got these beautiful flowers. So we are also going more into Meena and moving also. Some are patni based, some are different. Couple of the lighter color more, and here is another look. For this one, yes, you can of course wear it with any color as a base, even a gold, but I do think that the peach combination with this particular piece was exceptional, and you should see it's with this peach. Also launched were our wide range of Katan silk, Karwa Buta colors, single solid colors in 3 different motifs, lots of options. So you have the two-tone Katan silk launch. You of course have the Hiranya look 1, which is the yellow dress, that's also launched and on pre-order. Then you have this Katan silk Buta, 3 motifs, lots of colors for you to pick up. So even if you've been looking for just fabrics, you've been looking for dupattas, you've been looking for suit sets, we had it all. We have it all. We had it all in the last 2 lives, and this is your chance to get these heritage pieces as you see them now. So you can see this beautiful one. Yes, I have spoken a lot in detail about this one. Or iske hi saath ek black hai. I thought I will close it with that black, but I want to show it to you, right now in between, because that's I think when you least expect it. So one black piece, and probably I'll bring it back then, and this is the last very piece that we have in it. Okay, so yes, remember that we did create quite a few in each one of these, but do we have more? We do not have more. Will it be made again? This work that's been going on has been going on for the last 8 months. 8 months. We still barely have any pieces in our hand. So you can only imagine that, it's going to be a long process. But this one piece, the off-white ivory color, all sold out. We do not have any pieces in that. But I do have this exceptional black piece. Again, I did speak a lot about the weave, how we have revived this particular style of weaving, this particular design for it to be interpreted in a dupatta, and there it is. It is made by the most skilled weavers, the most skilled even, the designers, the the cutters, everything. Exceptional lineup of, craftsmen. Only then is it possible to make a piece like this. Every person in that chain has to be the best at what they do. That is when you can get a piece as possibly as beautiful as this. So, which takes time, which takes, of course, all the other things apart from the time factor, Okay, now some choices. Okay, let's do 2 suits. And these are beautiful suits, showing you for the first time right here. Okay, I'll come with the bottom a little later. Just, okay, hold that there and look at that. Now, this is what we've tried with satin. So, this is a satin-based suit. I will show you iske baad ek satin ka dupatta. It's a beautiful purple dupatta in satin. But what I want to show you is the suit. Now look at that. That's a 3-piece full look dupatta, kurta, bottom, all of it. And look at that. There is work on the bottom, on the kurta, on the dupatta. It's your full complete set. It's a lovely red for all seasons. I will show you the second color of this, and it's very pretty. It's this, एक line, you can call it Coca-Cola color, which is black and brown. It's amazing how it looks. Look at that. And with the zari of gold. So that's your look. That's your kurta I'm holding. That's a beautiful, smoother satin that I have. Iska bottom. I think the bottom is inside that. There you go. There's the bottom. So that's the bottom. And that's your 3-piece complete full look that you can go for. Stand out. It's a very cocktail, very evening kind of a look that you have. Now I'm going to show you a satin dupatta as exceptional as possible as well. So these, I think 3, are very few. Of course, I'm wearing a satin, but uska pura, look, feel, make alag hai. And the suit is a really good way of experiencing wearing satin, but you don't want to do this 8,800 fabric. I get it, but you can do that. It's a really good one. Now next up is this one, and we do have the most beautiful triangle fabric with the same Meena color to go with it. So there you go, that's your full look. And guys, okay, now I have some couple of things. Chandigarh, we're going to be there. We're going to be there in less than a week. Really excited. I'm coming there with my entire team, with all of this beautiful collection just for you guys. So that's, you know, the highlight. Now the next highlight, we've already been working towards this for months. We really kind of, it's been a big joy, and hope you did also see the celebration of Hiranya yesterday morning, which was with Ms. Gauri Patre. It was a magical morning for us to hear her beautiful voice. It kind of absolutely cleansed and re-energized us, you know. So yes, that was amazing. You can catch it live. It's there in video. The live is posted. Chandigarh, of course, we'll see you on the 12th and the 13th of September, and it's going to be great fun. Just 2 days, 11 to 8. We're going to be at the Centric, the Hyatt Centric, Sector 17, just there, really prime, like in the center. And we're going to be bringing this exceptional collection that you've been seeing all through launching, and yes, and so much more. So do make it. And anywhere around Chandigarh, and many of you saying, okay, that's the amazing thing. Many of you messaging from outside India saying, I'm from Chandigarh. It just brings me so much joy that you're going to be in my city, and you know that I wish I was there. And then somebody said, you know, that I am going to send my friends and my husband, you know, etc. And I think it's such a great idea. If you're not there, send your family. If you've been thinking to experience Neem, and everybody who's in Panchkula, Mohali and Chandigarh, we really hope to see you. And there are so many other places which maybe I'm not mentioning right now, which are all around, which you have to be there at a show. We will wait for you. So, okay, let's do last 6 dupattas. 6, that's it. So that's what I always have a huge bundle, but I'm going to show you the last 6 dupattas. Okay, so this is one, and then not there. Then I want to do, okay, we can do one of this, yeah, and then we can do, okay, I want to do mixed variety. So yeah, that's okay. That's your 6th, and then we'll go backwards. This is one nice color. Now what do you want to say this? I think it's like a orange, it's like a brown, you know, that's the whole color. It's very pretty and very different. So there you go. बहुत सारे, you know, of course, Banarsis. We have Banarsis, we have Bandhnis, we have many other pieces that you can kind of go for, whether it's a suit, whether, okay, I'm going to go for the black dupatta. Is that there? The handwork on the black dupatta. I would like to go for that. Okay, no worries. We'll go on to the next. Now, okay. इस पीस की, एंड आई थिंक इनकी सभी की जो ब्यूटी है, it's all on the light. You have to see them in this, and that's the good thing that we come out with our pieces showing all of these to you in natural light. Look at this blue. This is again from our Sachizai collection. If you've been thinking, and these are ready to be shipped out, so many international parcels going out constantly where you can get any of these pieces. One exceptional piece, this one is for you. This is your number 5th. We have 4 more pieces to show you, after which it's gone. So there you go. This is your number 4. Okay, let's go for this as your number, no, sorry, 6. This is your number 4. That was your number 5th. Now there you go. Now many questions on this. Will it be heavy to wear? You can see the beauty of this piece. It's exceptional. Remember that, of course, some highlighting would make it, you know, it can be, of course, always, you know, you can see the detailed, intricate work, or itna agar detailed work hua hai, to of course it may add some, you know, weight to it. But all in all, our idea is always to create this most flawless look with embroidery, while keeping it super easy for you to wear it. And you can see now the entire finishing has been done. So many of you saying that it's the shadi season, you know, and you know, I want that one piece. This is your one piece. Now this, wear it with a deep maroon, wear it with a yellow, wear it with a green. It's going to be that perfect mehndi look, you know. Of course, you know, you can wear this in a traditional, any of them. Now see this entire detailing on it. and the exceptional finishing. Everything is done for you to have it in your hand. I love the gold touch on it. So wear it with a yellow, wear it with a white if you want to really make it look different. But I would say the two suggestions that I have is the yellow and the deep maroon, apart from of course the base, and it's going to look priceless. This is one, collector's piece that you must have. So that was number 4. This is 3. We'll also do the cream color Banarsi. There you go. This one in your hand, that one. And there you go. Oh my God. Look at it. What is one to say when you get a piece like this? मुझे कुछ explain करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. Of course, making and the skill behind it, very happy to always tell you. But the beauty, the obvious beauty of Banarsi, it's not very difficult for anybody to understand, Even my kids say, "Arey wow, mama, what a piece," That's how easy it is. The, centuries old, the culture, the weaving, the story, the ideation, the heritage, all in these pieces together for you. And that's what we are here for, bringing all of this beauty from us to you, creating these stories, creating these heirlooms almost, these are heirlooms. And that was number 3. This is 2. And then we will end with this. Yes, we will end with this. Okay, we'll do a one bonus. So we'll do both. We'll end with the black at the last, but I want to show this next. And yes, wow, we are ending with some exceptional pieces. And of course, Katan silk, Banarsi weave. Look at that. So beautiful. Cream. Now this one, I'm just doing this because I love this color with pearls. It looks mind-blowing. And iska jo pura look aayega is with 2 colors. I mean, you can wear it with anything, even with a red suit. But how I kind of envision you wearing it is either this base color, and you'll dye Katan silk, or in the border ka jo zari ka hai, uska color in Katan. That's how you're going to be wearing this exceptional dupatta. You're going to be a picture. You guys are anyways, you're beautiful, Jaise bhi aap pehnenge, acha hi lagega. I have no doubt on that. But that's just, how I see you wearing it, that pristine, beautiful, gorgeous, dreamy look. That's this exceptional dupatta. And again, these are so rare. These off-whites, creams, and jinki beauty at the buta, the sona and the rupa, and in the border like this. So there you go. This is one piece. This is supposed to be the last piece, but aaj hamara jo count hai na, that will go till 0. So this is, I said I'll show you 6 pieces. This is number 1, and again, now you can see the whole beauty for there to see. And look at that, the entire detailing, and we had a really fun discussion about the weave yesterday of this one. It is what it is. It is exceptional. And there you go, that one particular piece, and you can see the detail right here. All that entire story right there in front of you. So, even if you haven't caught the Hiranya, which I do suggest strongly to catch up on the 2 lives, but if not, this is your quick, really fast way of getting some, I mean, it's amazing, right? It takes us years to create these. And think about it and dream about this, or literally dream. I dreamt about Hiranya. And then it's this 30 minutes, and you get to kind of get them in your hand. And even in the US, even in the UK, even in the Canada, in the next 4-5 days, you can have them. So, that's I think the modern technology. It's amazing, You can see it here anywhere in the world. We can ship it to you anywhere in the world. You'll have it in your hand in less than a week. It's amazing, right? So anyways, I'm closing with the last piece that I have for today, and I started with the black. I will end it with the black. One exceptional piece, and the way to kind of place your order for all of these is on WhatsApp. This is your one perfect look. This is from our Sachi Zari black dupatta, the zari, the detailing for all of you to see right here. It's absolutely exceptional, Bandi, needless to say. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for joining us early in the morning. The whole idea was just for you to give you a quick glance of what we did and recap on what's available, what's on pre-order for Hiranya. So there you go. Have a superb day. Remember, this is the last live for the week. We are done, and for Hiranya, because we've shown you all that there is to show. I know many of you saying, okay, let me wait a little more and see ki kuch hai. everything has been shown. There's nothing. So we've done our launches. We're going to be heading to Chandigarh on 11th, and so 12th, 13th we're there for a show. We'll be back on 14th, so maybe next Monday we probably will do a live from Chandigarh. But for now, we're all done and over and shown you everything. Now's the time for you to go shopping, and of course we're there to assist you with that. And remember, for many of you coming and planning to be in our studio, all our inventory is leaving day after from our Mumbai studio. So all of these gorgeous pieces will then reach Chandigarh. Of course, they go by road, so it takes us 4-5 days for them to kind of reach there. In between that period, we will be aware of the availability. We will have lots of pictures for you to be able to place order. But if you're planning to come to our studio today and tomorrow is the day where you can catch them up. उसके बाद जो रहा वो दिखेगा आपको after Chandigarh. So there you go. This is one last exceptional piece. I'm wearing it, flaunting it, and saying goodbye to you for this week. Ganesh Chaturthi is on Saturday. Of course, we are closed. It's a big event. We are Mumbai based, so it's a big event for all of us. Thank you so much for joining in. Have a great weekend ahead. All the celebrations, and this is the time to get ready for all of that. Thank you, and have a great day ahead. Bye.